Hi, I'm a homeowner. I'm not a handyman. And sometimes as homeowners, we have to do things a little beyond our comfort zone, stuff we don't normally do. Today, I'm going to put a new propane burner into my barbecue. Now, what's the worst thing that could happen? I could hook it up wrong and blow my house up. But that's not going to happen because I'm going to follow a few simple safety steps, and I'm going to read the instructions, and I'm going to show you that you can do it too. I've done it before. I've never blown a house up, never caught fire, and I know you can too. When you're going to need to replace your burner, you got some high spots in your flames over here. And I know this burner should have been replaced last year, but the dead giveaway is when you have a streaming jet of flame like that, replace your burner. So to replace the burner, first you want to make sure you have everything you need. If you're going to keep your lava rocks, you want a container that you can put them in so you can put them back in. Get yourself a plastic bag because there's going to be grease and gunk underneath there that you're going to want to throw out. Make sure your propane is turned off. Don't think you did it last night. Turn it off. And you have a dog to supervise, at least one dog. Have a toolbox on hand because there will be one tool that you forgot and you don't want to have to go down into your basement, your garage, or whatever in order to get another one. This will be messy and greasy, so you want a pair of rubber gloves or work gloves, and water. Always hydrate. Use water here. It does not make you a better handyman or fixer. Alright. Make sure it is cool. Do not touch a hot grill. That's stupid. So you can see what's uncovering itself as I take the lava rock out. The grate that holds the lava rock in place over the burners is rusted away. So, you know, that's what happens when you're a homeowner. You think you're going to do one thing, you end up doing more. That's toast. Big holes here, here, you know, just don't even try to save it, just get rid of it. So, we're going to throw that out. And you can see here, this is what's causing the flames to come out where they shouldn't have been. And this big honking hole here, which made it really interesting to light, but that was okay. It gave me a big hole to put the lighter in. So, no problems. Now we just have to clean out the rest of this mess and take this out. This is your burner, by the way. Start emptying everything out of your grill. It's also going to fall on the ground through your holes. So don't let your dog lie under there while you're doing it. And here, for this grill, I've just got to take out, let's see if I can get this upside down here, these cotter pins. Oh, no, not cotter pins, they're clips. One. And taking the clip out's not hard, filming upside down's hard. Two. Then this should just come right out like that. Piece of cake. Easy peasy. That is one ugly burner. Be able to save one or two lava rocks here. Generally, I'm not going to get too picky or too cheap because you've got all that rusted metal and grease in there. I'm just going to shovel that up, throw it in a garbage bag, and dispose of it in accordance with my city ordinances. Broom head, a small scrubbing broom head to brush out the rest of this. And, you know, you think you could use your barbecue brush, and yeah, you could, and that'd be okay. Except then you run the possibility of getting all these small metallic pieces in your barbecue brush, and then when you go to clean your grill, you could leave a deposit on your grill. If you haven't done this already, make sure you use a nylon barbecue brush and not a metal barbecue brush with metal bristles, because that can cause a problem and get in your meat and get stuck in the emergency room. And it might only happen to 3 people, but why let it happen to you? So this is a good time to inspect your grill box as well. There's a couple rust holes here. I can't complain. I trash picked this barbecue, about 10 years ago. These things last a long time, but the burner parts that we're replacing today, you know, they need to be replaced. So for like 30 or 40 bucks, I got a new barbecue. These hinge pins, they're not actually the hinge pins that came with the barbecue. They sort of rotted away, so I just replaced them with a couple barrel bolts, and that seems to work fine. It's been working for me for years. Well, let's measure the replacement grill. Let's see now. They might all be one standard size. I have no idea. I don't buy them every day, so let's double check. So we're looking 22 inches. By about 11 inches. The burner is 23 inches long, which seems like an odd number, but you know, okay, we'll take it. And it's got 2 tubes on it. Alright, I'm going to go up to my local hardware store. I could go to a chain store, but my local hardware store does a lot of barbecue stuff. The grill itself that goes on top is good. Jabot, get out of there! Don't let your dog eat those, because it tastes like grease and they're going to think it's good. So, I picked up my universal burner. If you remember, I said the length of the burner seemed like an odd size. If you compare them, the burner range is the same, 19.5 inches. Difference, 19.79 according to the box, 7.5. Difference being the support system's a little different on the replacement burner here versus this one, which will have supports screwed in here and here. I prefer the solid ones as opposed to the stretchable ones. Just too many open spots for my liking. Wow, look at that. Instructions and pictures and multiple steps and part numbers. Yeah, it doesn't matter, you can do that. No problem, you can put this together. So it's put together. Yours could look different because you might buy a different universal kit, but be sure to follow all of the instructions in your kit carefully, because this is propane and you don't want anyone to burn or blow up. So, Venturi tubes in, put it down. Now, when you go underneath, say hi to your dog. Hi, Ginger. Alright. Line up your tubes. Now, this part, make sure your Venturi tube does not have any kinks and is never a dip. Okay, you don't want something like this and it's coming back up. Okay, that should be coming at a 90-degree or less angle. Or else you could get a pocket of gas, I guess. Alright, that's what the instructions say. Follow your instructions. So you'll see these Venturi tubes have a spring lock on them, which is really not as convenient as that other one that I took off, but you know, that's the way it goes. Also, this burner has a locking screw that you can use to keep it in place, but if I put the clamp on it they have, it's going to interfere with my Venturi tubes, in which case, you know, I can't do that. So, and it does say that not all barbecues are going to be in the same shape, so fill your boots. I admit I am a bad judge of whether or not something's level or flat, so I actually used a level, and you can see it is level. Won't be by the time I'm finished, there's no doubt about that, but you know, at least I can say that it started level. So we're going to take some soapy water, brush the soapy water around the tubes, make sure we're not going to get any leaks. Okay, let's turn the gas on after it's been reconnected now. Sounds good, I don't hear anything. No new bubbles appearing. Alright, we're good. We're going to check for, make sure it's a nice even flame. Even flame on that side. Even flame on this side. Turn it off. it down. Start burning. Turn it up. Turn it back on. Down here, so that's always good. Now all we have to do is load the rocks back in. A burner at one of my local stores, local hardware store, no problem. But I had to go to a chain store, big box store, to get this. It looks like we're using old technology, and lever rocks are not in the barbecues, the new barbecues I looked at in the section. Oh well. I'm an old guy, what can I say? The lever rock is in. Other dog came by to make sure it was done right. That's a good thing. If you do need lever rock, I'm sure you can get it in the landscaping section of your local hardware store, or at least your big box hardware store. So I've got a nice even heat and everything is cooking well. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit subscribe. I'd appreciate it. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them. We're happy to have you come by and watch this video or any others. Stay tuned and you'll find out what our next video is going to be. Have a great day. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to clean up your old grill and make it look like new.